Here I have CAVION 5.0 and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data, factory reset. Then tap reset phone, and at last tap on erase everything to confirm whole operation, and after that your device will be restarted within a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.